just
right here.
lean into it.
Like this?
There you
Yeah.
go.
Yeah. You just have it tied against your shoulder.
Where's the... Am I just going based off of that? The little thing?
Well, I thought you were shooting the water bottle.
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking at the...
Yeah, the bead.
Yeah.
You want to try and get the bead on the target. It's not very
If
accurate.
this fucking hurts, I'm gonna kick your
Yeah,
ass.
it's a shotgun.
Okay, ready?
I
Shit. Jesus Christ.
Did you hit it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Fucking hell, dude. That's not so bad. It's just really loud.
You got another one. Hit the other water bottle.
Okay. So I go... It's open, right? I just take this
Now you
one.
got cock it again. And forward.
That scared him.
It came out and scared me. I've never shot a shotgun before. Okay, I'm good. I can put it in there?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I...
No, you're already ready to go. Was there two in there?
No, there wasn't.
No.
Okay, so
I only gave him one.
So I click
Okay.
it. I hold this down. Now I cock it.
Yeah.
What?
There you go.
No, you gotta stay right here. Daddy's about to shoot. Daddy's about to shoot. You gotta stay right here.
Boom!
Watch
Boom!
Daddy.
How do
Watch
they
Daddy.
get low, don't they? Like...
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just wait. You can in a minute. Watch.
Damn.
Okay, now where do you,
Yeah!
you can't go to
Fucking
the cactus.
badass.
No.
All right. Now I'm gonna
No,
give you
you
two.
can't play with the cactus.
You're low two.